Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to use NordVPN on your laptop. We will guide you through connecting to a server and adjusting basic settings so you can browse securely and privately. Let's get started. NordVPN is a high-speed virtual private network service that keeps your browsing safe by encrypting your traffic, hiding your IP address, and helping you bypass geo-restrictions with around 8,100 servers. It has a strict no-logs policy, Threat Protection Pro for blocking malware and ads, and works on all major platforms, protecting up to 10 devices. NordVPN's main purpose is to protect your privacy and security online by encrypting your internet connection and hiding your IP address. This helps us browse safely, especially on public Wi-Fi, access content securely, and stay anonymous to prevent tracking, hacking, and data leaks. Now let's get into the tutorial. We will guide you so that even beginners can follow along. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. To use NordVPN on our laptop, we need to download it first. At the top, you will see Download VPN. Choose your current operating system, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. Since we are using Windows, we will click Windows. Download the app. After downloading and installing the app, you will be redirected to the NordVPN application. This is the NordVPN application. If you already have an account and a subscription, just click Connect, Secure My Connection, and you are set. Now we are connected to a Philippines number 4 server through NordVPN. This is how we use NordVPN on our laptop. Once connected, our internet traffic becomes more secure and our privacy is better protected wherever we go. Make it a habit to connect before browsing, especially on public or shared networks. Stay secure. Browse safely.